Harper, come here, girl.
Come here, Harper. Come here, girl. Come on, just walk over the fence. Come on. Come on, girl. What happened?
Come on, Harper.
Come on. Come here, girl. Come here. Really?
Harper, look what I got.
The fence is on the floor. You can walk over it.
Come here, Harper. What's this?
Come on. Now we know.
I even threw it. She just looked.
Look,
Rico, can you show her how it's done?
Rico's gonna walk right over it like nothing. Okay.
He jumped it.
Look at her. She's like, what am I supposed to do?
I have the hiccups. Harper, come on.
Come on, Harper.
Come on. Oh, good girl. Come on, Rico. Rico.
Rico, get off the
No.
Get off the trash can. Come on. Come on. Come here, boy. No?